I'm Matthew with Cerakote. Today, I'm going to show you our color fill pen and demonstrate why you'll want to use this pen in your Cerakote process for easy filling of engraving and fine detail work. Using the Cerakote color fill pen really simplifies the process of filling inside engraved or etched surfaces. It was designed as a gravity-fed drip type applicator to fill in shallow engravings. Filling in fine details and lines, or do you only need a drop of coating? Either way, no problem. This pen will be a useful tool to help bring out details and create some contrast on your next project. It's incredibly easy to use. Simply mix your desired Cerakote color and Part B catalyst just like you would for spraying, and you'll want to mix a minimum of 10 grams for this process. Once mixed, use the eyedropper tool to draw out a small amount of coating to add to the pen's reservoir, making sure not to completely fill it. Then begin filling in whatever etched or engraved areas you would like to fill. If you have any excess coating that has overflowed from the engraved areas, just dip a sponge in acetone and wipe off the affected area. From here, simply cure according to the cure schedule for the coating and substrate you are working with. Stop by our website to purchase the color fill pen. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.